Starting over doesn't scare you. Disappearing does. You've rebuilt before and watched your identity dissolve to keep the peace. Not again. This time you rebuild around your values, not around others' comfort. Set non-negotiables: sleep, boundaries, truth, creativity. Say no to shortcuts that cost self-respect. Measure progress in alignment, not applause. A beginning is only worth it if you're still you at the end. Choose the path that keeps you present in your own life, step by step. Hold your center like a compass, and let decisions orbit it. Authenticity is direction, not decoration. Follow it without apology today.